Thank you for stopping by our booth. I'm Priya Tanigay. I'm the Vice President and the Business Unit Manager for our eFuse and Hot Swaps business. So at APEC today we're announcing the release of our 48V 20A eFuses. So these are our fully integrated smart protection devices. We're targeting the data center market, but of course they have broad uses, so you can picture any application that needs power path protection would require an eFuse. And historically, this industry has been more focused on discrete solutions like hot swaps, but today we have companies like TI have technology and the capability to provide a fully integrated solution with the FET, with the smarts, the diagnostics. We provide a black box to record faults and pipe the information out. So it's a very small single chip solution, and you can look at it on the board here and you see each one of these tiny rectangles can hold up to 20 amps. And the really cool thing about the TI eFuse is that they can be stacked. So 48V 20 amp does 1 kilowatt per eFuse, but if you needed to get to a 5 kilowatt or a 10 kilowatt solution, you can stack 6, 10, or even 12 of these. And so in this board, you can actually see that we've stacked 6. So there's 3 in the bottom, 3 in the top. And it's a really small form factor footprint, over 50% size reduction versus a discrete hot swap, right? So that's really critical, because you see in the data centers, as the boards start getting smaller and smaller, power density is super important, and that's where, you know, moving towards fully integrated solutions becomes essential. We also talk through kind of the ease of use of the product, right? We provide a graphical user interface that you can use to easily configure this eFuse and also read out the faults. So I think it's easy to get started with it. And we highly recommend visiting ti.com and the 1685 page to download our reference design and all of the details about the product.